Okay, hi Ramapriti here.
Hi,
Uh,
Preeti.
yeah, hi. So, first thing I would like to say that this program was really helpful and really good. Not what I expected, honestly, because I thought 4 hours and the last day being 6 hours, but now I understand. I was really enjoying throughout the program. And yes, the main important thing that I've learned is even though you have a good resources with good skills, you need to keep in mind frequently having communication with the team members, giving a pat whenever they require, recognizing them, solving the conflicts. So that is one thing which I missed during initial 2 sprints, but later on, yes, I started working on that. And another main important thing that I learned is do not take decisions just because you're running out of time. So one one big mistake that we did is there was an issue where that there was going to be natural problems, so we have the option to let them work from home, which I completely missed. Like we did with that, but I missed. So I was really, feeling very bad about that I missed on this point. So maybe we'll not be able to achieve that. But yes, that is one important thing. Like we need to consider all the areas whenever taking a decision. No need, you shouldn't be rushing at any point of time.
That's correct.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So for my team member Zishan, he was actually like pretty good team we were able to form. So Jishan, over to you if you want to add something.
Thanks, Priti. And I'll take that point further. This decision making that Priti was talking about, and we missed on this part.
Jishan, we can see only your specs. Yeah.
Sorry.
A little bit. Yes, now it's
Am
fine.
I visible now? Yeah.
Yes.
So I would say that it was good that we made that mistake, okay, because we understood from that mistake a lot of learning in terms of what it cost me, okay, when we take wrong decisions. In a way that we wanted to release resources, but we could not do that. So that I'm sure that it would have added up in my cost,
Okay.
because I could not release the resources. Otherwise, my sprint would have completed a little earlier and would have additional bandwidth.
Right.
So that was about decision making, and overall learning from this program is excellent. As I introduced myself the start of the program, I have never worked in a agile project, and working out is the time boxing of this sprint event. So that gives me real life pressure that okay, the project is completing and we have to hurry. We should not take decision in a hurry, but yes, the time is fixed, and whatever best we can do, we have to do that. So that is what is to be practiced and maybe matured, and the more we work into the agile project, and expected that over a period of time we will master that. It's like
All right.
easy to learn, but difficult to master anyway. Yeah. So
All right.
that's my feedback. Yeah. Thanks.
Thanks, Jishan. Thanks a lot.